I'm so excited to bring you guys to work. So I'm a civil trial attorney, so I don't do any divorces or criminal law. Mostly it's disputes between business owners or people making claims against an insurance company. And I love my job. I'm in a situation right now where I get to pick and choose which cases I will or will not take. And so people will come in, they'll tell me about their situation, what's going on, and I will give them my advice of what I think the chances are they have of winning their case and what I think the value of their case is and whether it's worth it to get an attorney. And it's great. I mean, I know a lot of times people think of attorneys as big, mean jerks who make a lot of money. And I don't think I'm necessarily fit into any of those categories. I love advising people and helping them. Most of the time, the people I'm working with are really going through something really difficult and really hard. And so being able to be a counselor and an advisor and a friend and to help people going through a hard time and someone who can come in and help solve a problem that people or businesses can't solve on their own by being creative, being passionate, fighting for their cause, and convincing the other side why this should get resolved. Okay, so here's my office. This is where I spend a lot of my time every day. So this is where we keep all of our files. This is my legal assistant, April. She's the best. She makes everything work in my work life. Thank you, April. Our office has several conference rooms, but this is right next to my office. And so typically when I'm meeting with a client for the first time or we're getting ready for a deposition or trial, we'll come in here to consult and talk about what's going on. So I spend a good amount of time in this conference room as well. So one of our partners brings his dog, Wiggles, into the office occasionally. I think that tells you about how awesome my firm is. It's really cool. Wiggles. Wiggles, come here. Wiggles is begging April for some crackers or cookies or something. Wiggles, come here. Come here. So this tree, Isaac named George. We bought it, I think, a little before Isaac was born, so 6 or 7 years ago. And we've kept it with me. I love that I have it in my office now. So here's a little taste of what I do all day. Pretty exciting stuff. Honestly though, I don't spend a ton of time doing this. Last week we had like a all day of deposition where I'm helping people out. They're getting asked a bunch of questions, or I'm asking people a bunch of questions, or going into court for different hearings. There's a lot of phone calls.